All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a new vlog. Today, I'm gonna be doing some photography homework. So I'm going out with the boys, gonna shoot some pictures, maybe train a little bit. It's raining outside, so we'll see how that goes. And then after, we're gonna go to Jump Up Open Gym and go do some session. So let's go. Come along for the ride. All right, we made it to our first spot. We're messing around at this park. We're gonna take some pictures. Oh, you did a flip. Oh, no way. Taking some pictures. We didn't do much training at the park. It was getting dark, it was wet, slippery. Finished my homework assignment, but other than that, we kind of just goofed off. Got some food. Now we are at open gym and gonna do some choo-chooing. So, choo-choo. Choo-choo. So the trick I was trying to do was swing cast. I hit it the first time, didn't film it. Second time, yeah. I mean, this should work. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that my upload schedule has been non-existent. Just been super busy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Rock on. You have a great night. Peace out.